Hey, welcome back. So I got some Osage orange from Ted Alexander a couple years ago when me and the family stopped to see him, and I figured it's probably about time to turn it. I'm gonna do this as a little dish with some wings. That's why I'm leaving the edges kind of cut the way they are, and we're gonna see how that works out. It is as wide as I can get on my lathe, so it's just shy of 22 inches. I do have my bowl gouge sharpened up. I'm gonna put my face shield on and get to turning. It's gonna be turning around 280 RPM. I think that's about as fast as I can get without it just walking everywhere for the moment. So as you notice, I've left the bottom rough. That was by design, not me being lazy. I do have the top with a couple layers of lacquer, and this is just some brie wax. I thought maybe the roughness and the dark texture would look cool. So we'll see. This has taken well over an hour to turn. You wouldn't think so being so simple, but slow and large wings and vibration and all that goodness. Cool, gotta wait for that to set up. We'll take it off the lathe and take some pictures, see how she looks. Alright, so here she is. 22 inches. Well, they're about. Rough bottom. Not real sure how I feel about it. It's kind of cool though. We'll see. Hope you enjoyed. Like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Y'all been kind of quiet lately. Alright, have a wonderful day.